Hi children, welcome to Cuddle. Today we're going to make a thank you card for our parents. Let's see how to do it. First, you need a red sheet, a pencil. Let's draw a heart shape first and cut it out. Apply glue on 3 sides. On the 4th side, give a gap for the strip to move up and down. Now stick it on the main sheet. After applying the glue, allow it to dry. Place a scale so that the glue doesn't stick to the main sheet. After that, you can write your message. If you like this video and want to watch more videos, do click the link above. These are some new ideas that you can try. Thanks for watching and follow us on Insta, YouTube, Facebook, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.